In this video you will learn how to do a full setup of this property inside the booking engine. So you go to Inventory, Room Types, add new room tab. So we have the double room. Let's copy, we put the description, put a description, nice description here. You can work with the text editor. And also you have the two languages, you can auto translate, but for this one we'll do it manually. That's a double room. How many rooms? Let's say 3 rooms. What's the price? 45,000. How many guests? 2 guests. If you allow up to 3, you can insert here maximum 3 guests and unlimited as validity period. So we save this. So you create all your room types here that you have. Each room type has a rate plan. So here it's the rate plan standard. Here you can have the non-refundable and so on. So let's create a non-refundable rate plan. It's more complex a bit. Again, we have the languages. You have to untick this to allow you to edit the languages. So we have the 2 languages. We say, okay, double room. You insert a meal if you have a meal. And then you go to the price. And in the price section, on the standard price, we allow a reduction of 10% because this is a non-refundable. So you have a 10% discount. Here you can play with the children prices, prices per occupancy per 1 person, and so on. So you have many settings here you can do. This you always leave it like this. This is better, so don't do these advanced settings. Here you have the cancellation policies, no-show policies, credit card if you want to capture credit cards, no guarantee if it's pay at hotel. Payment policy is for the payment gateway, so no payment policy. And validity, we leave it unlimited. So we save this after we have done this easy setting. Now we want to add a meal because we don't have a meal. So we go to meals, a new meal plan, and say breakfast. And then you say the breakfast, bed and breakfast or breakfast. The price, it's included in the price, so that's why you say 0, validity period, unlimited, and you just save it from here. When we open it, you can see this is unlimited period. So this is looking good. So you go back to the rate plans, and now you click on the edit button, and here you click on breakfast, and you updated it. You can also add some extras if you want extras. This is like parking or any other extras that you may have. So you enable it from here. What's the price? And per person per night, for example. Free sale, and then again you save it. Once you have done this, you go to property and you go to photo gallery, and here you have to upload the logo. Let's take the logo. That's our logo. So it's being uploaded. Then you have to upload for the room. So we have the double room, and we have these 3 images. So we take these 3 images. You can do bulk upload also, that goes very fast. And then we check the order of the images, so we can arrange them the way you want. So once this is done, you go to distribution, booking engine, and inside here booking engine you have to activate the channel. Once the channel is activated, the booking engine, you click on select, and you can see on the double room it's activated, and also the extras are activated, ticked, and you save it. Now you can see how this is looking like by going to the URL and booking engine URL and click on open it. So it looks like this, and it works out of the box. You will see the room, and also you can make the booking from here. So you see the image and you see the description, and everything is here. So to allow also the extra, it's here. So to allow for the logo and the footer address, we have to do some more settings. You go to settings, additional features, show prices. You can show the prices as well, and then you can tick the things that you need. I suggest to tick all the addresses and also mandatory phone, promo, language, property logo. You save it. And here under currency, you may enable all the currencies. So this being saved, you make a refresh. We go to settings, we go to currency. Again, we enable all the currencies for the currency converter. And now we search again to see the end result. So you see the logo, it's appearing, the address, it's appearing as well. And also we have the currency converter as well. If you want to add more languages, you go to property, master data. You go to languages, enable all languages, so the booking engine will be in all these languages. So you will be able to switch between the several languages. So once you've done this, we'll make a refresh again, and you can see all the languages. So if I go to Italiano, you can see that it's being translated to the Italian language. So you see, yeah, that is the main settings. That's how it has to be done. You can play with also with promotions. You can create a promotion from here at a discount for December 2024. You make the promo code, you insert discount 20%, and you say okay for which rooms you want for this room. You add the validity period from when until when, just for December, for example, and you save it. You can see you have the promotion here. Again, we go to distribution, booking engine. We go to mapping, and we see, okay, so we have to do the mapping. So if you want the promotion to appear, you have to do the mapping from here. So that's a full setup of the booking engine. That's how it works. It's quite straightforward. You have the extra also here. You can add a picture to the extra as well. And then the guest can make a booking directly with his new technology. Enjoy it. Thank you very much.